Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol APHA. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I've been doing this analysis on a pretty routine basis. I did it on Friday. I want to get a few things updated here as the chart continues to maintain the gains it's made. It did pull back more significantly on Friday, but got a little bit of a bounce up today. Nothing drastic, but hey, when boxes are expanding in the upwards direction, that's always a good sign. So we'll see if the bulls can build upon it or not. The easiest way to kind of judge the quote-unquote building upon process is, we're going to really apply the KISS method here. Keep it simple, stupid, and no pun intended. But that is where the purple line there, the 50 period simple moving average, comes into play. As the name implies, and if I'm not sure, depending on probably the screen that you're watching this on, but if you're watching this on your phone or something, I promise that if you look real close, that purple line has started to curl and slope upwards now. And as the name implies, moving average. So that line is going to start moving higher and higher as time goes on. So like I said, the easiest way to judge kind of the health of, is the bulls going to continue to make progress? Is the chart going to continue to turn around? Is let's just see if the price can stay up above that purple line. As long as the price stays above that purple line as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health. The bulls are in full control. However you can best, visualize that. That's what's represented. And that's really the easiest way to look at the overall health of the current chart. Because, yeah, I get it. There is a lot of perspective that can come into, charts like this. I get it if you're some sort of day trader and you bought up there and you wanted to sell within, 10 minutes after buying. Well, then, yeah, you don't necessarily care about these levels that I'm talking about. But assuming you do care about more so just the overall trend of things, the overall health or lack thereof of the chart, then use that purple line. That's definitely going to be the easiest way to measure that. As far as levels of resistance are concerned, main area of sellers right now seems to be right up here around the 590 mark, give or take a little bit. In the very short term, right here around 570, clearly some sellers showed up this afternoon, but more so, like I said, from a bigger picture perspective, keep an eye on 590 going forward. All in all, though, the bulls are chipping away. They're trying to build a higher base and go through a health consolidation here. So let's see if the price can stay up above that purple line, the 50-period simple moving average, or not. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.